YouTube? It's me again, Kanawagi Utah's Garage and Workshop. Yeah, I do work in there. Yes, Danny, I do use tools besides buying them. But this week I bought a Dewalt shear. I can't show you it on the drill because I don't have a 20-volt drill here, and my other one's dead. I have batteries. It died. So yeah, I bought one of these. It see, works great. You can spin it by hand and put it on a drill. Anyway, no, over here in Canada, this thing is, if I remember correctly, this thing in Canada costs 95 bucks. If you buy it on Amazon, it is $50 free shipping, and it was on sale at Runnings for $39. So I picked it up for 39 bucks. Pretty good deal. I do want to buy the Malco one and compare the difference, because I know the Malco one is made much better. This is a rip-off of the Malco one. I know it. You can see. Also, I picked up a huge vice grip. See? Giant. I didn't know they had small ones. Actually, I'm going to go see if I have one of these, because I have the big ones. And it's funny, now I can walk away from you guys and talk on there. See, I have little ones like this. See? Oh, I do have. I didn't know they made these pointy ones. See? I have 3 sizes. So now you can hear me from way over there and I run away from the camera. I had this one, I have this one, I have these small ones, but I never had the little tiny one. So now I gotta buy at least 4 of these, because you can't have vice grips if you don't have 4 of each. Anyway, I also picked up some, what do you call it? I like to call carpenter's cheese. Carpenter cheese, yeah. This, everybody knows what the hell this shit is. It is carpenter cheese. Yeah, can't eat it. You can smell it though. I picked it up at Harbor Freight because it's $8. Apparently you can use a rubber tire, but it's for getting the what do you call it? The crumbs off your sander. And put on there, rubs all the off sanding discs. I bought 2 of them. I've been waiting for months to get one of these. They just been empty forever. And that's pretty much it for new gadgets. I do have 200 new gadgets to show you, but I'm going to compare the 2 of them with something else. So anyway, yeah, I've been doing work in there lately. We've had a new baby, so I didn't do much work. So, sorry. I haven't done much in here in the last week or so. Actually, 3 weeks. Baby's 3 weeks old, so yeah, new baby boy, so, you know. But I am coming here still doing stuff. I still got to do work. I still got to build cabinets for my kitchen and stuff like that. So anyway, expect some more videos. There's a ton of more videos that are falling behind, that are coming behind us and ahead of this one. So stay watching and stay tuned. Stay watching, like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to check out all the guys on the bottom that I've listed in the channel. So thanks a lot. Stay sane and buy more tools.